The answer to this is the new model PA system called Digital Intelligent PA System, or DIPA for short. The DIPA system is mainly composed of the audio source end and the speaker receiver. The audio source end includes a multimedia input touchscreen host server, power supply, optional gooseneck microphone, infrared remote controller. The speaker receiver end provides an indoor receiver that can be connected to a speaker, and provides an outdoor IP66 waterproof horn speaker. It is very simple to set up the whole DIPA system. The first step, set up the speaker ID by the DIP switch. Connect speaker to SPK connector. Connect the 2-core wire to the line connector. The 2-core wire has no polarity requirement. Connect the wire to DIPA host server, plug in power adapter, and power on. Compared to traditional analog PA systems, DIPA has the following advantages. Single unit integration of audio input in DIPA system, including line-in, MP3 player, Bluetooth, FM radio. Within a simple 2-core wire cascade wiring, it can easily achieve enable/disable individual speaker zone groups and adjust the volume. You can group speakers and input sources. The volume setting is folder macro key, user-friendly. DIPA is compact, lightweight, yet powerful, with high power efficiency and no heat. The DIPA system is a game changer in the world of PA systems. It's modern, efficient, and user-friendly, providing numerous advantages and features that solve the problems of traditional systems. With DIPA, you get a superior audio experience at a lower cost and without complicated wiring. Say goodbye to limitations and hello to exceptional sound quality. Choose DIPA and transform your audio experience today.